Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how easily you can implement container view in your iOS application. So let's get started. First of all, go to this link. You can find this link in the description and download this project and copy paste two of these files in your project, containerview.swift and emptysegue.swift. Now come back to your storyboard and as you can see, I have already pasted both of the files and dragged a container view and a UI segment control on my view controller. So you do that too, and now I'm going to drag a view controller, actually two view controllers, on my storyboard. And now two labels, one for first, one for second. I'm going to change the name to, text to first controller, and the background color for distinguishing to this, and change the text to second view controller, and the background color now we have to make the size of the container view same as we have to make the size of these view controllers same as container view. Now we will check the size. It's 315 by 270, so we will do the same to the view controllers. 315 by 270. Update frames. Do the same. Update frames. Now connect both of these to the container view controller. Custom, set it as custom as well. Now select the segue and change the identifier to, let's say, first, and class to empty segue. Do the same with the other, change it, let's say, second, and give it empty segue class as well. Now for your container view controller, change the class as container view controller, and the segue it is attached to, set it as, let's say, container. Now select your container view, and let's say you want the first view controller to appear as soon as your application starts, so change it to first here. Now come back to your view controller, and in your view controller class, create a container view controller variable, and in prepare for segue identifier is equals to container dot container is equals to segue destination view controller as container view controller. The reason of doing this is because as soon as the view loads, we get the object of the container view inside this variable. Now in your selected segment, now when you select your segment, let's say you select your first button, you want the first view controller to appear, and when you select the second button, you want your second view controller to appear. So in order to do that, we check which segment is selected. So if sender.selected in segment index is equals to 0, then go to first view controller, else we will copy paste it, and then else we will pass in second view controller's identifier. Now I'm going to run and test if it works. It's working perfect. Now let's say I want to add a text field on my first view controller, which is inside the container view, and want to access the text from inside the text field to the inside the first view inside my parent view controller. Create an outlet for this. Sorry, I forgot to make the classes for these view controllers. Let's say I'm just going to make class for this one. Change it to UI kit. Save it in your main view controller. Change the class to first view controller and create the outlet now. Name it as first VC text field. Make it as strong. Let it say outlet. Connect. Now come back to your main view controller and add a button inside it, which will get you the text which is present inside the first container view controller. Create an action. Now let get first VC object is equals to container child view controllers as first view controller. Now you can get your text field which is present inside your first view controller. get first dot first. Let me check what was the name at first. Dot text. Now get the text printed. Now I'm going to run it and test it if it works. And it's working. So that's all for now. I hope you like it, and you can find the source for it on GitHub. I'm going to provide the link in my description. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.